Ladies and gentlemen, we have had the largest number this year of students undertaking these examinations, a total of over 3.4 million of them, 2.4 being HSA and KEPSA, and around 996,078 being KCSE. So KCSE begins today. It will run up to 21st as I've indicated. And as a ministry through NEC, we put in place measures to ensure that there is a smooth administration of this cycle of exams. Our teams, field officers, center managers, supervisors, invigilators, and everybody else that we are working with, including teams from the national government through the Ministry of Interior, teams from ICT, teams from the Teacher Service Commission, are all working together using the multi-agency approach to ensure that all these examinations are undertaken in a commendable and clean manner.